Hi Earth sign, this is your Gem in your Tarot Reader, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Tingnan natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Just a reminder, this is general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Earth sign, ano ang sitwasyon na na-encounter mo sa iyong love life? Give me your energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Give me your energy, Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, you have here passion, insane chemistry, like each other, having fun, kiss on a ring, many options, decision, unconventional. You have mirror, mirroring each other, self-image, relationship reflect our wounds, enlightening, sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, transformation. So, alamin natin ang connection ng iyong main energy. Earth sign. Give me your energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth sign. You have Page of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Six of Swords. So there's an earth sign involved, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, an air sign with swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So there's a new opportunity of love. I think this is something na you're trying to consider kasi kakahiwalay nyo lang ng person mo. Parang you are trying to move on, then there is an opportunity of love sa buhay mo. Maybe sa ngayon, hindi mo para priority tong new love kasi you're trying to move on from your past. Ang dami mo muna ang kailangang desisyon na gawin. Pero there's an insane chemistry or maaaring komportable ka sa person na ito. Itong new person na maaaring tinitignan mo na may potential para sa'yo. Pero you're trying to process yung nangyari sa'yo at ng ex mo. Parang napapansin ko na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Tignan natin, Earth sign, Three of Cups, Page of Cups, the World. So I'm seeing here, this person, you will have a shocking news coming your way. Tingin ko, this person will reveal or aamin sa'yo and will pursue you. Because you will have a new opportunity. You will have this kind of completion in your life na you already moved on or makakatulong siya for you to forget about your past. This new person. Maybe this is one of your friends, kasama sa trabaho, acquaintance. You're mirroring each other because alam niya yung pinagdadaanan mo, baka same din kayo ng pinagdadaanan. This new person na dumating sa buhay mo, maaaring kaka-move on lang sa kanyang relationship. There's a shocking news coming in your way, meaning to say, Earth sign, may aaminin siya na ikakabigla mo or ikaka-surprise mo. Even though may hint ka, alam mo na may feeling siya sa'yo, di ba? May admiration siya towards you. Kahit na magkaibigan kayo, nafe-feel mo na alam mo na magte-take siya ng action soon. Four of Wands. You have Four of Wands. Knight of Cups. And Queen of Pentacles. You have fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Gaya ng sabi ko, this person will make a move. Tingin ko, siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng new opportunity of love. Tingin ko, nafe-feel mo rin na may chemistry kayo. Nafe-feel mo rin na nagja-jive kayo. Kasi, feeling ko, matagal mo nang kakilala. Ngayon lang siya aamin kasi nga, pareho na kayong single. Pareho kayong moving on sa kanya-kanya yung relationship. And malalim yung pagtingin niya sa'yo. Maaaring matagal niya na itoong nararamdaman pero hindi niya lang inaamin kasi nga, in a relationship ka. Ngayong ready ka na at pati rin siya, pareho kayong single, parang para sa kanya, this is the right time to pursue you. So you will have a sudden change in your life. You have the world, sudden change in your life. You will be surprised. Earth sign. One of these days, this person will make a move. So tingnan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide for your energy. Earth sign. Give me some angel guidance for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Angel guide, give me your energy for Earth sign. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, there's a recovery, diba? You're in the process of recovering yourself, healing yourself, moving on from the past. So ask your angel for some advice. Kung ano ba ang dapat mong gawin, kung ready ka na ba for new relationship. And improving health, meaning to say, unti-unti ka na nakaka-move on. Siguro, at some point, this person, nakakatulong siya for you to move on. Not necessarily a term for rebound, pero in a way, malaki ang nagiging ambag niya para ma-recover mo yung sarili mo from your pain, from your ex, from the pain na binigay sa'yo ng ex mo. Diba? Pareho kayo. I'm seeing here, mirroring each other. Matagal na kayo magkakilala. Tingin ko matagal na ring may lihim na pagtingin ng person na ito, hindi lang siya nagtitake ng action kasi nga, in a relationship ka. So, alam niya yung pinagdadaanan mo dahil marahil, ito rin yung napagdaanan niya. So, tingnan natin ang may bibigay ng oracle sa iyong energy. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, give me your energy. Ano ang mabibigay mong message for Earth sign? Okay. Earth sign, kitang-kita natin. What do you need to release? Ano yung kailangan mong i-let go for you to move forward, for you to move on? Diba? Kailangan ready ka na. You have to let it go. That negative energy. It's time to take action. Your person will take action. Diba? Tingin ko siya yung magbibigay ng shocking news, sudden change sa inyong buhay. Sa inyong relationship. Kung dati, into friends, ngayon, in a relationship. kung mutual ang feelings nyo sa isa't isa, it's time to take action. Believe in the impossible. Kung tingin mo hindi posible kasi nga magkaibigan kayo, just believe in the impossible. Kasi kung kayo ay may insane chemistry sa isa't isa, maaaring kayo ang destiny. Have faith in your dreams. Makakahanap ka rin ng taong deserve mo, yung person na destiny mo. So thank you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Earth sign.